जय गुरुदेव। आज हम एक क्लास 10th का एनसीईआरटी का प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं। पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन एंड देयर सॉल्यूशन। ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन है इस टाइप का। पहले एक क्वेश्चन हम बना चुके हैं और उसको हमने हल करके आपको बताया था। आज हम दूसरा क्वेश्चन ले रहे हैं जिसमें हमारे दो इक्वेशन हैं, x plus 2y is equal to 6 and x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. These are two equations and we have calculated the coordinates of suitable points. P taken 0 and y x coordinate 0 and then y coordinate is calculated 3. Put here 0, x is equal to 0, 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. And here x will be something and y will be 0. So put y is equal to 0, so x is equal to 6. So this point we have calculated. In this equation, we have taken this A point of taking any point on this y-axis. So the coordinate of x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate will calculate. So 0 minus 2y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 by minus 2, that is plus 1. So we have taken this point. One more, we will select some point 6. Suppose here x is equal to 6 and y is 6. Take this 6 other side, you will get minus 2 minus 6, that is minus 8. 2y is equal to minus 8. So y is equal to 4. So we will calculate. We can express this equation in y is equal to mx plus c and then calculate, put the value of x and get the value of y. Y is equal to mx plus c. It is in the standard form. It will be easy for us to calculate the value of y whenever we select the value of x. So always you must select. But this software allows us, just you type the equation in the input space and click it, you will get the equation drawn on the line. Computer itself select this coordinates and decide this thing. And then we have seen that x plus 2y is equal to 6 is passing through P and R, whose coordinate, P coordinate is 0, 3 and R coordinate is 6, 0. And x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to minus 2 is passing through A and B. A coordinate of point A is 0, 1 and coordinate of point B is 6, 4. This how we calculated, I have explained you. Now these two equation intersecting at C. So C is the common point of on the equation, this equation as well as the equation line. So this gives the solution of x and y. X is equal to 2, y is equal to also 2 at this stage. If we put this value in either here or here, it will certainly satisfy. Suppose I want to change another equation form, how to get the, in case you will get the decimal value. I'm sorry that you must bear with me. Let us take this value of 4, 0 and this value. You can check x is here. In this case, this is true values are coming here. Intersection of these two lines are equations, graphical representation of these equation. This equation is represented on the graph in this color, and it is in blue color. And the solution of this x plus 2y is equal to 6, x minus 2. No, this equation is not changed, so it will be, suppose I am placing this value here, x is equal to 1 and this. So it is satisfying. In this condition also this is satisfying this. If I am changing this, what will happen? This, let us take. Can we get somewhere? This was here and this 4, 3. Let us check. This value here 1 and 3. 1.5 into 3, x is 1. This will not satisfy this thing. So it is not operated on this. So it is no.